Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to create this COVID-19 dashboard in Excel. Right. So for this video I am going to fetch out the COVID-19 live data from a government website, and then I am creating this dashboard. So basically my motto to create this video to teach you how you can fetch out data from your online service like a website, and then how you can create your report from that. Right. So basically to create this one, what we need to do, we just have with mine like a website address, that is a URL address, and we need to have some prerequisite of a Excel features, advanced Excel features. So what are the advanced Excel features we need to use? Number one is Power Query. These features we need to use to fetch out the data, and number two is Power View. This feature is used to create the dashboard. If you guys are not working on Power View, then it's totally fine. You can go through with normal pivot table, pivot chart dashboard. That also fine. But if you are using Power View, I prefer Power View. That is why I am using Power View. But that doesn't mean you have to create this one. You can simply go through with your normal pivot table or normal pivot chart, right? So now how to create this one? First we need to install these two on our system. After installing these two, if you are using Office 19, then you don't need to install Power Query or Power View. Just activate the add-ins. From where we can activate the add-ins, I will show you. If you are using Office 2013 or 16, then install it separately, then you can go to activate the add-ins. Now where we need to go to activate the add-ins? Go to File, go to Option. Under this you will get an option of add-ins. Under this option you will get a option called manage Excel add-ins. Just change it to com add-ins and click on go. See, here you can go all the details like Power View also, and some other power features whatever I have installed in my system. All the things are came up over here. So just click on this Power View and OK, then you will activate Power View on your data tab. Here in data tab you can see the Power View option is came up, right? So after set up all the things, what we supposed to do, we just need to get this website address. So what's the website address? That is moh.fw.gov.in. It's the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India. It's basically a government website. Why I am choosing this website? Because in this method you need to have a website which have a data in this table format like this, right? So basically I searched a lot, but I didn't find any data like table format. At least last time I found this website. That is why I am using this website for this tutorial. You can go through with any website, right? So what we supposed to do, we just need to copy this website address. After copying this, go to your Excel file, go to data, click on from web, and just paste the website address. After pasting this one, click on OK, but make sure that time your computer is connected to internet, because in this whole process it's required internet connection. So click on OK, it will establishing a connection with that, then you will get this kind of get up. In this, click on this table. See, the table of all this data is pop up over here, right? Whatever table the website you are connected, all the tables are came up in this area, right? And you can select any of them to see the preview, right? After this, click on transform. Now why transform? I can simply click on load, but right now I want to transform the data. Why transform? Because see, there is some unusual data like these rows. I want to delete all this, although I can delete all this after getting the data in my Excel sheet, but before that I want to delete all this. That's why I am clicking transform data. And as well as the numbers are treated here as a text. You can see all the numbers are situated at the left side of the cell. That means it was treated as a text. I don't want to treat the numbers as a text. That's why I need to click on transform data, right? So click on transform data. As soon as you click transform data, Microsoft Excel will open the Power Query editor. In this you can edit. So first thing first, that's need to delete this row. So what we supposed to do, just go to home tab, click on remove rows, click on remove bottom rows, and you need to mention the numbers. As I can see, it is the total 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 rows. So just mention 5 and hit OK. So all the 5 rows from bottom is deleted, right? Now the second thing, that's this data should be converted as number. You can see here it is showing as ABC in the metadata. It's basically called as a metadata. So basically it's showing as ABC, that means it was treated as text. So just select the first one, and for quick selection select the last one by pressing and holding shift key. So it will select all the between rows and columns, right? Then go to home tab, select on data type, change it to whole number. So as soon as you click whole number, see all the data is converted as whole number, right? Now I'll just change these headings by double clicking it, because I don't want this unusual star sign. So I will remove this one. Now it's looking better, and this one also. So my data is already ready. Then what we supposed to do, just click on this. See, before clicking, before loading this one, if you want to see that how this query is connected with internet, you can simply go to this review and refresh, sorry, go to this refresh and refresh preview. So it will refreshing the preview. As soon as the data is refreshed on the internet, this data will automatically refreshed, right? So just click to close and load, and click on close and load too, because I want to select manually. Click on as a table, select the existing worksheet and select the cell number on which you want to fetch the data and hit OK. See, all the data is came up in my Excel sheet, right? That's the main data. Okay, so now what we supposed to do, just to ensure that your data is connected with internet, just select this query tab. Here you can see one option called refresh. Go to this refresh. Sorry guys, not here. Just go to design, click on this refresh and click on this connection properties. In this connection properties, just click on this refresh every, and here you can mention the minimum time as a 1 minute. So every 1 minute, in every 1 minute, the Excel will going to establish the connection with that website, and it will refresh the data if there is any changes. If not, it will not refreshing anything, but if there is any changes, Excel will automatically bring that to your sheet, right? And hit OK. Right, after this, now what to do, just go to data tab. As we are going to use our power view, so click on this power view. As soon as I click power view, it will create a power view sheet for us. It's automatically created with the data, and you can see all the fields are here. It's more likely a pivot table, so that's why I'm saying you can go through also with your pivot table, pivot chart. No need to use this power view, but I am basically using power view because of its functionality, right? So what we need to do, just need to click here and state it as Excel dashboard, Excel dashboard. Then click on this one and remove all this. I don't want to see all these things. I just want to see name wise total case, and no need to use this one. So here is the table format. To change it in a graph, go to design, click on bar chart. As a chart, you can use any chart, you can use like a column chart, other chart, map chart, whatever, but for this purpose I am using bar chart and clustered bar. See, it's a normal bar chart, right? So just make sure you have some enough space so that all the data is showing. So I'm just putting down over here and make this data up to corner so that I can get a better area, right? Then what we supposed to do, just click on this blank area, then select your table again and select your desired field again. For example, right now I am using I am going to create the map chart, so it should be the name of state, and then for example it's active cases, right? So here is the name of state and active cases. Now what to do, just select this table, go to design and click on map. So it's automatically create the map because it's using Bing search engine and automatically create the map and pop it out in your front, right? So just adjust your area as per your choice. To clear this active name, to clear this one, you can just go to layout, click on this title and hit none. It will clear this. Same thing will do with this, none, right? Then again the same thing, just replace the map as per your choice and adjust the size. Now it's better for me, right? Now the last thing, that is our total tabular chart or tabular information bar. So to create this one, again what we need to do, click on this blank area once, then click on name state. It will prop up all the name and all the name of states. Then what we supposed to do nothing, just go to design, click on this tiles option, click on this tiles. See, tab is already created, right? Tab is already created. Just adjust the size, adjust the size. Now click on this small box, click on this small box and delete this one by dragging it out, like you do in pivot table or pivot chart, right? Dragging it out. And now what information you want to see? I want to see all the information like active case, drag it over here. I want to see the death cases, so drag it over here. I also want to see the recovery cases, so drag it over here. So all these three information is pop up over here, and if you click on this, see all the information are dynamic. So all the information are changing based on your selection, right? Now everything is done. What we just need to do, we just need to change the background. To change the background, click on this blank area, any of the blank area, go to layout, sorry, go to power view tab, then go to background and select this black area, right? So this is totally fine, but this map chart is not set it as my background. So what will I supposed to do? I just click on this map chart, go to layout, click on this map background and select this one, reversed, right? So it will treat it as my background, right? So everything is done. Now the Excel dashboard text box is over there. Like if I show you my dashboard, see, it's exactly same. The extra thing is COVID-19 dashboard. So what we need to do, we just need to go to this power view tab, select this text box. See, one text box is came over here. Just type your data like COVID-19 dashboard, right? And then again place it as per your choice, resize it. If you want to change the font and all, just select the text, go to this text tab, select, here is the font style, here is the size, here is the alignment option, all the things you have. So just changed based on your choice, right? That's fine for me. Now the last thing, the filter. For the filter, what we supposed to do in pivot table, pivot chart, we need to create a slicer, right? But here you don't need to create a slicer. What you need to do, just drag the field in this filter area. Just drag the field in this filter area. See, all the data is over here. Now select one like Assam. See, it's Assam. It's only Assam, and here also Assam is pointed out. See, if you select multiples like Bihar and Assam, see, Bihar and Assam both are pointed out, and based on the numbers of this, it's automatically decided the size of the circle. Like Bihar is the bigger circle because Bihar has the more number rather than Assam. That's why it's a bigger circle and Assam is smaller one. If you just select on this all, then all the filter will go up and all the filters is going to reset and it will show you the full data, right? So these things we can use in map. Also there is another option like map. If you select on this map, see, there is a active cases, because active case is a number field, that means a value field. So here we can use this slider. For example, I want to see the data from 58 to 16,000 only or 10,000 only. Then I can simply slide this one based on my choice and hit. See, all the map data is updated. That's why I am preferring Power View, but that's not the only reason to using Power View. You can go through with your any desired option. You can create your dashboard as per your own choice, right? So the main thing is like that, how we can fetch out the data from internet service and how we can create the report from it. If you want to refresh this one manually, then what we supposed to do, just go to query tab, click on this refresh, and it will automatically connect to that service, and again it will refresh everything, right? Or else you can select manually it, or in this design tab you can also see select a refresh option, select this refresh option, everything is okay, right? So this is the way how we can create this awesome dashboard based on our data which is hosted in a website, right? So that's all for this video.
If you guys like the video, then hit the like button and share the video with your friends and colleagues. Remember, all the download links for sample file and practice file is in video description, so don't forget to check this out. Also, if you are newer in this channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get future updates.